This is it. Our new home. You know, Bukola, I bought it for two reasons. One, is to spy on our enemies. And two, is because our old house didn't have a heat system.
Yeah, Dad. This is so much better. After a while, when we arrange our stuff in boxes, I will invite my friends to come and see. By the way, my eczema is getting worse.
But you promised to go to the drugstore and take the medicine. Anyway, I will be gone for hours. Please, can you spy our enemies and write down their movements?
Totally. Count on me. I will do all day long. I am very patient. How do you say? I was born for things like that. My enthusiasm is so great now.
Remember also, please, to go to your aunt's grandfather. Oh, and here is the money to buy your three-dimensional Nintendo and a new mobile, because you broke yours.
Thanks. Also give me money for school, because I borrow money with no limits to everyone. I also take food and pay it the next week. Give me also money for my daily walk to Paralia.
Okay, remember to get me some food from your Jamaican friend. I will also give you some documents, and you must give them to some people that will come here.
Yeah, Dad. There is no way to forget it. Wait a second, to put my blouse in my trousers. It looks better this way. And also give me money to buy glasses from a black man.
Oh, sweet child of mine. I forgot to praise you today. You gracious and kind boy. I saw Mrs. Helen, the old lady from the old building. He said that you are magnificent.
Oh, the good lady. He once told me that I am the best boy in the neighbor. Rula was with me, and she looked up to me as a god. Then a car hit me, because I felt embarrassed.